I drive today. It's four axle, 2-axle trailer. It's a Volvo FH 500 IC. So let's go and drive. I have to put this in neutral before I start. This is neutral. Put the key and let's go. Put the GoPro on my and I have another truck here going out, so it's all okay with the temperature, so I can drive. I don't like this one. I put an automatic handbrake down and let's go. Check that, it's okay. Now I have to check the cars and trucks. If I have space, I don't put the blink. First I wait and then, because when I put the blink directly, I force that truck to go on the other line, and maybe in the other line is a car or something, and then I make a bad situation. I put the blink only when I see I have space, because anyway the driver who is coming, he see you and he know that you have to go. But when you put the blink, that means you force, you tell that car who is here to put the brake or go in the other side. So better you put the brake and wait, and then you put the blink for right or left, depends which side you go out on the highway. Here I have overtake band, so I cannot overtake. And there I have a police officer's car. He's checking the traffic in the morning, the distance between cars and trucks, and overtake, because that way is also overtake band. And when you see you directly overtake, he note your number and he make directly the ticket, and he send to the directly to the address where is the truck registered. And then, because he write the time and the data, what day and what time it was when he write that, what was wrong. For example, I become in my company today, I make, and he write, and my chef or disponent, he don't knows I was, or but he see the time and what day it was, and my company and all company which have a transport and have trucks and all, he have the data from the card, and he see there which driver was in that day, in that time. He check that from the tacho card.